Select other modules. Select TPMS. You can reset TPMS sensor with this function. And to use this function you need to buy the X431 TS gun. Power on the TS gun. Tap the number to connect the Bluetooth. And download the firmware. Update the firmware. Tap OK. Select vehicle model. Select Honda Accord for example. Here would be active, programming, learning, and diagnose. Before you activate a new launch sensor, please do the programming first. Launch sensor. You can program the launch sensor with auto, manual, by activation, copy by OBD. Select auto for example. After programming, you can activate the sensor. After installing the sensor on the tires, you should follow the instruction to do the learning.